Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And if you remember that video where we did the purple haul and we tried the BB cream from NY, which by the way, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it in the description box for you to see. In that video we had these two blushes from NY. Yeah, ulte hain. These two blushes from NY, and I told you that I'm going to do a separate review video for these two, and yeah, this is that video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. So this is how the blushes look, and the first one was Chirpy Peach, which is a very pretty peach color, and the second one is this. This one is, I think, cherry orange, something like that. Now this Chirpy Peach, this is how it looks. This is how it came. It's nice and good and fresh. This cherry wala, on the other hand, if you can see, yeah, it's oozing, right? It just came out of the component, and there's oil everywhere on this packaging. I don't know what happened. I mean, this was seal packed, you know, like wo plastic ki jo packaging hoti hai, it was packed, but it just spilled a little bit, right? So that is that. Let me just give you the swatch of the cherry one, because I think the swatching is mandatory. And the second one is Chirpy Peach. You know what, I actually like the color. Yeah, I'm glad I picked on these two colors because these are pretty. Honestly, yeah, these are the two colors, and yeah, let me just show you how it looks on the bare skin. So on the bare skin, you can see this is how it looks. First off, we have this Chirpy Peach. Chirpy Peach, I think for my skin tone, has to be like this very perfect nude blush, and cherry one is a little bit more intense, and I think this would cater more towards medium to dark skin tones, and I think this should be their jam. I mean obviously fair skin tones can pull this off, but I think in a very minor quantity, that is what would I say. And I think, you know, the after color of both of these blushes, I believe, is almost the same. Like फर्क नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा कलर में. It's just that कि एक थोड़ा ज़्यादा intense है, एक थोड़ा कम intense है, but it just shears down to almost same thing, right? And now we have it on our foundation wala face, and then let's just see how it looks on top of a foundation beneath the BB cream. Now the BB cream wasn't too high on coverage, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I mean, it has almost sheared down. It doesn't really appear a lot because I used a full coverage concealer. So this is how it looks, and yeah, I mean, let's just try it on top of the foundation now, right? So yeah, these are the two blushes, right? So first off is this. So what I'm really going to do now is I'm just going to take like the peach one, pehle thoda sa like आगे की ओर. I'm just taking it a little bit ऊपर की तरफ as well, and then we'll take the cherry wala and we'll just take it, you know, like थोड़ा सा इधर की तरफ. So I'm just doing like an ombre blush over here. That is what we are going for. Let's just move in with the brush. Okay, this is the moment of truth now, because usually the blushes look fine beneath the foundation and everything. You know, obviously on the bare skin it looks fine, but what if your blush is actually moving away your foundation? Then it obviously wouldn't look good, right? Oh, it did not move away the foundation. This is nice, but yeah, I just took way too much. Let me just calm this one down a little bit. Obviously I'm going to apply powder on top and it would shear down a little bit, but oh my god, this looks good. Yeah, nice. Okay, I am not mad at this one. Okay, I'm not. Let me just complete the look, and yeah, I'll be back. That's it. Have you seen the blushes? I think out of all the liquid blushes that I have tried so far, I think this has to be like 4th or 5th. These one are my favorite from the lot, and I would really suggest you to try this one out if you were finding blushes which are affordable, like only 250 rupees for one blush. And I think this has quite some quantity. Obviously depending on the colors you like. I think the formulation for both is almost similar. There's nothing different in the formulation ki alag color ki alag formulation hai. No, the formulation is same. If you want to try any one of these blushes, I would say definitely try them out, because I really like these. So it's a big hit from my side. Yep. So yes guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.